Today's case study involves 5 subjects tasked with installing a vacuum pump relocation kit into a Jeep Wrangler sports utility vehicle. The subjects in the control group were provided with instructions for the modification. Unbeknownst to the participants, the plastic screws attaching the topside plastic bumper cover were engineered to strip out upon any attempt to remove them. This particular subject's complete lack of any emotional response to the screw stripping out is notable. We hypothesized that this was an expected outcome fueled by decades of Jeep Wrangler ownership. Researchers unanimously agreed that the introduction of both dogs and beer into the environment significantly hampered real-time progress and cognitive functioning on the part of the test subjects. In an effort to guarantee a positive outcome, the subjects were provided with a quality vacuum pump relocation kit from a company called Metalcloak, complete with detailed instructions and a zinc-coated relocation bracket. The subjects somehow succeeded in correctly shortening and splicing the vacuum line as detailed in the written instructions. The next step involved splicing and lengthening the electrical harness connection with the additional wire and butt connectors provided in the Metalcloak kit. As the length of the installation process surpassed initial time frame estimates, researchers gave some thought to ending the experiment early, partially driven by concerns that they themselves would become dumber following prolonged exposure to the test subjects. Much to the surprise of the entire research team, our subjects successfully relocated the vacuum pump to the top of the driver's side fender, maintaining the functionality of this specific component within the vehicle's braking system and without tripping any new check engine light codes. And while the primary purpose of this study was to provide further insight into the behaviors and mindset of the off-road enthusiasts and Jeep-owning subcultures found in North America, it seems worth mentioning that this particular vehicle modification paves the way for a frame chop front bumper and lower-profile winch mounting options. Following the conclusion of the experiment, one of the test subjects requested that the research team include within their published findings a note encouraging others in this particular subculture group to quote-unquote build something. The same subject was then overheard asking one of the members of the research team if their Toyota Tacoma was for sale. Additional research may be necessary to broaden our understanding of this particular group. Finally, on behalf of myself and the entire research team, we would like to thank you for watching Trash Panda Garage.